Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to share your games and your PlayStation Plus to all other accounts on your PS4. So if I go to where it says Power and I go to Switch, any of these accounts on my PlayStation, I can share PlayStation Plus with very easily. So let's go up to top, go to Settings, and then go to Account Management. Then go on down to where it says Activate as your primary PS4. And go to the account with PlayStation Plus and go to Activate on the top. And when you do this now, all other accounts on your PlayStation will have access to your game library, then also PlayStation Plus so you can play online. Now you can only have one PlayStation 4 activated as primary at a time. So if you have another one, you're going to have to deactivate it and then come back to this console and activate it. Otherwise, you have the option here to change to this PS4. And it's going to stop the activation on the other PS4. So just a heads up, they'll lose access to PlayStation Plus on that PlayStation 4 if you go in and do that. So only one at a time, and you should be good to go. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your Six Studios.